I don't want to open it.
I don't want to be
I'm excited.
It was better than mine. It was better than mine, Talu.
You're moving?
I don't want to be in the video.
Okay, watch.
Why?
Oh my god!
Don't be a quitter.
Come on, Ellie.
Don't be a quitter. Just open it. Let's see it, Alan. Where's the picture? Wait, is the picture of you? Yes. Oh,
show us the picture.
Turn it around.
Let me give some background. So I get a random text from my temp. Oh, he's getting a random now. One day I get a random text from my friend Tim saying, "Hey, I think you need to get your cardio up." Oh, it's not that picture. We thought it was of Ella Machado. Ew. Show us. I can't.
Show us.
I can't.
Come on, Ellie.
Ellie. Show us. We've already seen it. There's shows on there today. Ellie, show us. I put mine as my profile picture on Facebook. This was my profile picture.
It was.
Show us the freaking picture.
Come on, Ellie.
Show it.
Come on.
Every time I look at it.
Let's not look at it. Let us look at it.
Yeah, let's see. Come on.
I can't show you. Oh my god. Okay, you do it. I can't. Okay, here we go.
Audrey. 1, 2, 3.
I can't do it. It's too ugly. 2, 3.
Hey, Allie. Wait till you see the final part of your picture.
What?
There's a final part of your present.